Yamaha XV250 Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling is a gateway to adventure, freedom, and a unique connection between rider and machine. For beginners taking their first steps into this exhilarating realm, the choice of their inaugural motorcycle holds significant importance. The Yamaha XV250, with its blend of accessible power, classic design, and cruiser comfort, emerges as a compelling choice. With its smooth performance, timeless aesthetics, and rider-friendly features, the XV250 stands as an exceptional option for novices eager to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. Gentle performance and accessible power. At the heart of the Yamaha XV250 lies a capable 249cc V-twin engine that strikes a balance between power and manageability. This engine provides a gentle yet satisfying surge of power, allowing beginners to experience the joy of cruising without being overwhelmed. Cruiser comfort and rider ergonomics. The Yamaha XV250 is designed with rider comfort in mind, offering a relaxed and inviting riding position that characterizes cruiser motorcycles. The low seat height, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars create an ergonomic setup that ensures comfort during extended rides. Classic cruiser design and timeless aesthetics. The XV250 captures the essence of classic cruiser design with a touch of nostalgia. Its clean lines, classic contours, and distinctive cruiser styling reflect the timeless aesthetics that cruiser enthusiasts cherish. Novice riders not only experience the joy of cruising but also embrace the style that defines cruiser motorcycles. Smooth handling and effortless maneuverability. The Yamaha XV250 offers smooth handling and easy maneuverability, making it a suitable choice for riders new to the cruiser segment. Its well-balanced chassis and responsive characteristics contribute to a stable and confident riding experience. Safety features and riding assurance. Safety remains a priority, particularly for beginner riders. The Yamaha XV250 models often come equipped with features like a front disc brake for enhanced braking control and stability. These features provide novices with an added layer of confidence as they navigate different road conditions. Versatility for urban and scenic riding. The XV250's versatility makes it well-suited for various riding scenarios. From urban commutes to leisurely rides along scenic routes, novices can seamlessly transition between different environments while enjoying the comfort and style that the cruiser offers. Community and rider bonding. Enthusiasts of the cruiser lifestyle form a tight-knit community that welcomes beginners. Joining this community provides novices with access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the XV250's cruiser lifestyle. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Yamaha XV250 encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully embracing the cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The XV250 isn't just an entry-level choice, it's a companion for the cruiser journey ahead. Its comfort, performance, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the XV250 as they evolve from novices to seasoned cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Yamaha XV250 exemplifies Yamaha's dedication to delivering an approachable and stylish cruiser experience for beginners. With its gentle performance, classic design, and commitment to rider comfort and safety, the XV250 provides an immersive introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing a Yamaha XV250 motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for leisurely rides and the timeless allure of the open road.